Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am styling my hair after a day at the beach yesterday. I didn't film the wash day or the actual twisting of my hair. Actually, when I got in, I was so tired that I didn't even think about filming, but I felt like I need to come on and do a video on caring for your hair after a day at the beach. So I am guilty of not preparing for this day at the beach at all. I did nothing to my hair. I just had it up in a puff. I did not twist it up or put any type of treatment or conditioner on my hair prior to going to the beach. It was an unplanned trip. So I just put my hair up in a puff and went out to the beach. But after getting home yesterday, I felt like my hair needed some TLC. So I did my wash day with the DevaCurl line. If you're not familiar with that line, please see my DevaCurl wash day video. I went in and of course I used the wash day wonder to detangle because my hair was kind of tangled, which is why I decided to do the DevaCurl wash day to do a good detangling on my hair with that wash day wonder treatment. I did the deep condition with the seaweed mask. After washing it out, I left that on about 20 minutes with my hot head deep conditioning cap on, and then after rinsing it out, I use the generic value products leave-in. This is some good stuff. I like this. It leaves my hair soft. I wanted to use it because I know it's very hydrating and I felt like my hair needed some hydration. And on top of that, I went in with the DevaCurl styler just to seal all that in. And I wanted to pay close attention to my ends. So I sealed my ends in with some shea butter. I think it was the Oyin whipped cream or whipped butter. I used that to seal my ends. So before I take these twists out, I am going to use this Queen's Magic Hair Growth Oil. Y'all know, if y'all saw my curl kit unboxing, this is the oil that was in that August curl kit. So I'm going to try that today for the first time. I'm actually going to just put some in my hands and rub it throughout my hair. It smells like black castor. Yeah, it smells just like black castor, Jamaican black castor oil. My hair is soft. It feels hydrated. I can tell before I even untwist my hair. All right, so now that I have all of the twists out, I'm just feeling my hair and it feels soft. Yeah, I like that it's soft and it seems manageable. I do credit that to the DevaCurl products. That deep sea mask is the bomb. I mean, it has restored, or it has added moisture and hydration to my hair to combat any damage that I may have gotten being out in the ocean yesterday. So I'm just going to go in with my pick and pick it out at the roots. I don't usually do twist outs because my hair is, I don't feel my hair is like long enough to have any noticeable definition. I normally end up throwing it out and losing most of the definition that I've achieved with the twist out. My preferred method is like a combination of a braid out twist out, where I braid up my hair from roots to almost to the ends and then I twist the ends. That's my preferred method of styling my hair because it gives me my hair don't shrink as much when I do it like that instead of the twist. I get a lot of shrinkage with the twist, but it's cool because I'm going to end up putting this in an updo, so I don't mind the shrinkage so much. My updos, I normally like to have texture in them, so yeah, this will get the job done for that. I'm not going to do too much picking because I don't have that kind of texture where I can get very far with the pick. without ripping my hair out. So I'm just going to put that pick down and style with my hands. So basically I'm just going in trying to close up any separations in my hair, any parts that may be showing. Do some separating just to get the fro looking uniformed. Okay, guys, so this is it. This is my hair after a day at the beach, where I was able to give it some TLC by deep conditioning and giving it a adding a lot of moisture back to it with my leave-in as well as my styler. Also the shea butter on the ends I think helped a lot. I just felt like my ends needed some TLC. But in hindsight, like I say, if you are going to have a day at the beach, prepare your hair first. Don't be like me. I just went out there with my puff and just had a good time. Luckily, I didn't have any bad results because I came straight home and got to washing my hair and deep conditioning it. But yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. It is soft. It's hydrated. It's feeling good. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.